Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's session I'm going to share with you my sketching of this bramble, blooming bramble, and I found actually I use for reference, I use my own shot, and this flower is this plant is so interesting, and also it blooms in during the summer and not only in spring, and which is interesting for in my opinion, in my point of view. And but doesn't matter, I just want to understand what's going on with main shape, and how can I share and draw petals and buds as well, and just understand the structure of this quite tender and interesting flower. For this case, for this sketch, I used uh, pencil Stadler Mars Lumograph Black, and actually what I can say about this pencil, nothing special. Like it looks like, it feels like just regular, just soft and soft colored pencil, but nothing special, nothing. Actually, it's just nice to work with it, and of course I struggle as usual with all colored pencils because I need to sharpen them so frequently, and it is just annoying me. And but never mind, it was quite nice to draw with this pencil, and okay, you can try it. So never mind. The first was most important to understand. For me, it was to understand the structure of this plant, and how I can again. I added here some details on petals, but you don't have to do so because if you want just to understand the main shape, and just to discover the something from nature, it doesn't matter what. You don't have to add too many details, and also don't add shadows. It was just for me because I would like just to get more quite finish this sketch, but you don't have to do so. And the most important, again, now and again, the most important to understand the structure of some plant or some things that you would like just to don't copy, to draw from the nature. From it could be from nature, it could be from reference, it doesn't matter. And for me it most just comfortable to draw from reference because of hot weather, because of different circumstances, and most easy. So in this case, you can see in our previous session we talked about freedom of sketching, and in this case I just try to add some details, and to elaborate, to convert this interesting, in my opinion, this beautiful flower to something imaginative, and with I add here some faces on this to this flower. I don't know. I found it interesting, and most important for me was to again just feel free and to play around with shape, and of course most time the people, we have so many uh, different flowers, different nature parts, different nature objects that people use to add, and to add some anthropomorphism, and we have also some I don't know, some things that people used to do almost every time when they convert flower to something imaginative, and to add if they want to add face or things like that. And mostly they just put some, use these petals like just to decorate some face or some head. And I would like, in this case, in this drawing, I just wanted to break this kind of rule and to do something, just something else. I don't know for what. It was just for training and just for, again, feel free and to draw, just for drawing, just because each your drawing, each your sketch, you're improving, you're mastering your art, you're mastering your hand and your skills, drawing skills, and that's it. So as you can see, I add here kind of, yes, face to one of buds, and I found it's cute and interesting, and actually you can see everything what I want. The better to just to watch the process of drawing, and that's it, because I don't know what to add here, because of that. It's that simple, just to convert and to elaborate something to imaginative, and it's cute. So that's it, and I hope you found it interesting, and thank you for watching my video, and see you next time. Bye for now.